Hello my crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you some happy mail. Yay for happy mail. I received a package all the way from Australia. Yes, I'm so super excited, and it came in this really pretty pink bubble bag. So thank you so much. I'm going to start with the card. First of all, this happy mail comes from Alisha, who is also known as Loveletter Generation here on YouTube and on Instagram. I will link her channel and her Instagram in the description box below, so check that out. I'm going to go ahead and dig into her happy mail. Thank you so much for thinking of me, sweetheart. I'm a big fan of your creativity. Okay, so let's start with her really cute card, and it says hello. She's got a little button that says good times. Let me just open it up really quick. Dear Erica, thank you so much for being such an inspiration. I love watching your YouTube videos and looking through your Instapics. It was very kind and thoughtful of you to think of me. You're a beautiful soul. Love, Alisha. Loveletter Generation. Aw, that's so sweet. Thank you so much, sweetheart. I'm working on your package, I promise. Okay, and then this is the next piece of mail. It says, because I'm happy. Look how super cute it is. She's got a lot of confetti in here. Oh my goodness, this looks like a bunch of little pieces that I can use. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Hello, you make me smile. A bunch of bits and pieces that I can use on different projects. There's the word shine. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for all those little goodies. I'm not going to take all of them out, but that's very sweet of you. Thank you so much. And then look at her little pocket. It's a heart pocket. And she told me she was going to send me some unicorn mail. And look at this fun confetti. Super cute. Oh my gosh, I love the way, oh, you sewed. Oh my gosh, how adorable. And she's got a really cute tag right here. Oh my gosh, this is so cute, you guys. See how pretty? Oh, love the unicorn theme. Super cute. Okay, let's dig in. All right, I'm gonna take these out. So she sent me some stickers, unicorn themed. Thank you so much. Those are so pretty. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. Yay! She sent me a mask. Oh, it's a rainbows and unicorns one. Be yourself. Oh my gosh. Aloe vera extract. Okay, so I'm gonna be beautifying myself with some rainbows and unicorns. Thank you so much. That's so super sweet. How cute. I love that. She sent me some really cute alphas with some cute packaging. Thank you. And then let's see. These look like handmade embellishments. Let me just take them out of the package so you guys can see her work. Oh my goodness. Let me see if I can get it out carefully. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. Look how pretty they are. Uh-oh, I'm dropping them. Look how super cute. So pretty. So I can add these to projects. I love you way more. Oh. Think happy, be happy. So cute. Look at that one. Always remember this. And then look at this one. This one says happy little moments. That is so sweet. Thank you so much for making me handmade embellishments. I promise I won't hoard them. I will try to use them. They're so pretty. Thank you so much for those. Thank you. Oh my goodness. And then what else is in this pocket? She sent me some unicorns. Oh, those are super cute. How adorable. Those look like the ones that come from Hobby Lobby. And then look at these rainbows. Oh, that's so sweet. And then she sent me another goodie pack full of different little embellishments and goodies. So I will use those. Thank you so much for that. And then, oh, there's even a tassel right here. Look how super cute that is. I love it. And some of the confetti got stuck, but it says, hey. How cute is that? So cute. Thank you so much, sweetheart, for thinking of me and sending me a little bit of happy mail and putting a smile on my face today. I truly appreciate it. And you guys show her some love. Check out her channel. Check out her Instagram. I'll link it in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.